So as you can see, actually we'll look over here, you can see where I've pre-notched some out, and I'm going to show you how I did that over here. The plastic that these wells are made from is very soft. So if you just drill some basic holes, we're really just chewing out that little bit of a notch piece so that the clips will be able to work adequately. Okay, and we'll keep the camera there a minute, and I'm just going to grab my razor knife. And then once you've drilled holes joining each other, you can, again, the plastic is so soft, be careful, don't cut yourself, but you can go in with a razor knife and pretty much then notch the rest of this area out. That is, if your razor knife doesn't let go of your blade. That worked anyway. Then you can continue to go in with the razor knife and just kind of clean up the area in this particular spot so that the clip will snap onto this part of the lip of the window well. And that's how you create the 3 notches that you need to in this window well for your clips.